To create a budget using Rocket Money, start by visiting the website or opening the app. If you don't have an account, click Get Started to begin the registration process. Existing users can log in with their email address and password. Once logged in, you'll see various options on the left-hand side, including Budget. Click on this option and select Start My Budget to begin the process, which can be completed in as little as 2 minutes. You'll be prompted to enter your monthly income, which should be answered honestly. After entering your income, you'll be asked to identify which transactions are considered bills. If you haven't connected your accounts, you'll need to do so by adding your checking account from the dashboard. This involves clicking on the top right corner, scrolling through the list to find your account, and then logging into your bank account to connect it to Rocket Money. Once your accounts are connected, you'll see a list of bills and can select the ones that apply to you. Next, you'll be asked to set a monthly budget for your bills, which should be an honest assessment of your expenses. After setting your bill budget, you'll create a budget by adding categories and allocating funds to each one. For example, you might budget $50 for auto and transport expenses or $20 for drinks and dining. As you add budget categories, you'll be able to track your spending and see the remaining balance for each category. While the premium version of Rocket Money offers unlimited budget categories, the free version allows you to add 2 categories. To get the most out of this tool, it's essential to use it correctly by regularly checking your budgets and answering questions honestly. By doing so, you'll be able to easily track your spending and stay on top of your finances.